Hello, just a quick one here just to show you a nice little hack. Probably already know it, but a nice little hack just so when you're replacing your chain on your bike, you don't over tighten these pins for obvious reasons. So get yourself a digital veneer measuring tool and you literally get one of the factory links, measure it, I can't go by digital read on this because it's the battery isn't very good on it, but 21 mil, so lock that up. Yeah, 21 mil. So when you come to putting your link on with your whatever chain breaker you got, like this one here, here's a high level one which is absolutely spot on for the job. When you push your link on and you tighten it and tighten it, every now and then just stop and check your level. That way you're not going to over tighten it and cause kinks and all sorts of problems. So yeah, nice little quick hack for you there.